Now, yung recent appearance ni former President Digong sa ICC, how do you perceive this development affecting the Philippines' international relations and domestic politics po?
Uh, there's going to be well, maybe let's just begin with the economics part now, kasi usually it's that aspect really that drives relationships. Ang ano niyan, a number of foreign investors and mga foreign financial institutions, mga spokesperson for financial institutions, have said that they expect a bit of disturbance, and that in the short term they expect that. So that should also, so ang attitude ng ng foreign investors right now is wait and see, no? And on the other hand, the rate it's going right now, kasi very biglang nag-spark yung yung sentiment all over the nation, all over the Philippines, from well, not, I don't know about the north, but definitely nung unang gabi, from Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, all the way down now to the south, talagang may mga people movement. So domestically, it seems to have been a polarizing. The whole thing seems to have a polarizing effect, and foreign from the aspect of finance and economics,